Today, 9 school districts in Clark County agreed to resume in-person learning for kindergartners. We're told plans for this move will come out in the next few weeks. Fox 12's Drew Marine spoke with the Vancouver School District kindergarten teacher about the decision. And Drew, what does she think about all this?
It's definitely a mix of emotions. She says, of course, she misses teaching her students in person, but she also wants everyone to stay safe.
It was kind of a little shock for us.
That was the reaction to some big news today. Educational Service District 112 announced 9 school districts in Clark County have agreed to resume in-person learning for kindergartners.
I think the evidence is quite clear that the sooner that we get these youngest learners back in school, the greater the opportunity we will have collectively to reduce the learning loss gap as these students transition into their first full year in public schools.
Jennifer Gay, a kindergarten teacher at Martin Luther King Jr. Elementary School in Vancouver, says she's feeling a mix of emotions.
Very excited because I love seeing my students over Zoom, but having them in my classroom is something that we've been waiting for. I worry about their safety. I worry about the staff safety. I worry about my safety when we come back to school. And I know that many teachers share that concern.
The plan is there will be groups of 10 or fewer kindergarten students brought back to school for in-person learning.
Our plan was that we would have Monday, Tuesday would be our A group, and then Wednesday would be everybody would be remote because we need to clean the school deeply. And Thursday, Friday would be the B group.
Dr. Alan Melnick with Clark County Public Health says he believes schools can welcome these small groups back safely, especially because he says children that young are less likely to transmit COVID-19.
They have the capacity to do this both in terms of physical space. We're talking about small groups. And they also have other things in place like screening, both symptom screening on entry, mask use, physical distancing.
There is no set date for when those kids will get back in class because each district will decide that on their own. Live in Vancouver, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.